Okay, so we have one-step inequalities. This is your guys' assignment. You guys are going to be doing the odds, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. I'm going to do the evens, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So watch carefully. One-step equation. I got to isolate the variable first. Got -1. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. That gets rid of that. I'm left with r greater than, equal to 5. Go to the number is my first point. 0, 5. Go to the number. Close circle. Says greater than, so we shade that way. Next one. B minus 7 is less than -12. Isolate the variable, add 7. Isolates that. I'm left with B is less than -12 plus 7 is a -5. So I go on my number line, first point, 0 and a -5. This is an open circle, and it says less than, so I'm shading to the left. All right, I should have wrote a little further down, but I'll be a little clearer on the next ones, okay? 15 plus x is less than or equal to 0. So we're just gonna isolate the variable. Opposite of what operation you see. Boom. I'm left with x less than equal to -15. Now I do my 3 steps. First step, go to the number, -15. Open or close circle, close circle. Shading to the left, shading to the right. Less than means I'm shading that way. Okay, so that's numbers 2, 4, and 6. Let me now do numbers 8, 10, and 12. And I'll do them one at a time so you can see all on the board and you don't get confused, okay? All right, so number 8, it says 8 is greater than or equal to n minus 6. 8 is greater than or equal to n minus 6. And again, this is number 8 on your assignment, okay? So, isolate the variable. Opposite of -6 is +6. That's gone. I have n. Point is at this variable, so that means less than, equal to 14. So now it's just the variables over here. We're reading it backwards now. You would say n is less than or equal to 14. 3 steps, what do I do? First step, go to the number, 14. Open or close circle, close circle. The point is at the less than, which means less than is shaded to the left. Okay? Let's take a look at number 10. Number 10 reads n over 3 is greater than 3. N over 3 is greater than 3. So, for number 10, n over 3 is greater than 3. This means division. N divided by 3. That's a division. Opposite of division, multiplication. 3 times 3 equals n. So, n is greater than 3 times 3, which is 9. Then we graph it. Go to the number. First step. Go to the number. 9. Open or close circle. It's open. Doesn't include 9. Is it greater than or is it less than? Greater than. Big mouth. Faces the variable. So, we go that way. All right? All right, one more. And then you guys are going to do the odds. I'm knocking out these evens, 2 through 12. You're going to knock out the odds, 1 through 11. Here's the last one. Pay close attention. -9x is greater than or equal to, so this is number 12. -9x is greater than or equal to -90. Cool. This is where we go up, ding, 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 ding. I have a negative, and it's multiplication, so I'm going to have to divide this negative. That tells me what? I'm going to flip the sign. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you look at the video I posted in the notes, tutorials, and materials section where I go over all of the rules, okay? So here's the last one. I have to divide to isolate the variable by -9 to both sides. That isolates the variable. I bring down the x. 9 into 90 is 10. And a negative into a negative is positive. Now see where my sign is? Flip it this way. Flip it. So now the answer is x is less than or equal to 10. My 3 steps. First step. Go to the number. Okay, there's 10. Open a closed circle. That means closed. Which way am I shading? Left or right? The point is at the x, so I shade to the left. All right, class, I hope that helps on your assignments for this week. Have a good week. Make sure you make safe and smart decisions. Work hard, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.